Ford Focus Review. What is it? The Ford Focus is a chuffing important car for Mr. and Ms. car buyer here in Britain, even if it doesn't enjoy quite the popularity of old. It is perhaps the greatest example of the fact that, despite the seemingly unstoppable rise of crossovers, actual hatchbacks still rule. But the Focus matters here at Planet Top Gear for more reasons than just not being an SUV, because over the years it has been a consistently good drive, as well as throwing up some of our fave hot hatches. We shed a tear when Ford announced there wasn't going to be another RS, thanks mainly to ever-tightening emissions rules, so it's mighty relieving that the fast Focus lives on in ST guise. Advertisement page continues below. What generation are we on now? Only the fourth, but we get your point. The current iteration has been about since 2018 and was only mildly facelifted in late 2021, getting a new front grille and standard LED lights front and rear. This fourth-gen car had immediately improved on its predecessor, though thanks to a sleeker profile, stiffer dynamics and improved crash safety, so there wasn't much for Ford to do at refresh time. Oh, and it already weighed less than the third-gen car, a reasonable 1,325 kilograms for the 3-cylinder manual. What about the interior? The midlife facelift also brought very slight interior updates, with all but the base spec trend trim getting a giant 13.2-inch infotainment system which handles navigation, media, and phone connectivity. Ford says that the screen is the largest you'll find in the segment, but crucially it comes at the expense of proper climate control buttons, all of which now move into a little bar at the bottom of the display. Seems like a backward step to us. It's a pleasant enough experience behind the wheel, though. The front seats are admittedly not the most comfortable we've ever sat in, but it's impressively roomy in the back, thanks to a considerably longer wheelbase than the cramped third-gen Focus. Boot space is a useful 375 liters with the seats up to, just 5 less